What's up in YouTube? This is the homie Rob Major from Loud Blast Reviews. Today we're doing this, not a full review, we're just checking out the Audient, excuse me, because I'm trying to hold the microphone with a hand and trying to move the box. We got the Id14 from Audient. It's a great interface. I see a lot of videos on YouTube about it. The sound quality. We're gonna get to check it out. This is not an open box video because the box is already open because I bought it on eBay. It was a used one, but great condition, very good condition. And this is the Audient Id14. Let's open the box and check it out to see what's going on. This is the USB cable, okay. And we got the, I'm breaking it. I'm new to this. That's my first video. Please visit Audient.com, Id14 for latest drivers, manuals, and downloads. Okay, this is the device. Let me put the box away. We don't have to deal with that. This is the device. This is the Id14. I really like it. That's the Id14, a 2-channel interface. What I like about it, you got 248 volt phantom power for each channel. You know, the speaker button, the headphones, and the big knobs. Everybody love a big knob. These got a DI and a headphone. The feel of this device is really, it's a great product. The build quality is awesome. I really like it. Let's see. We got optical in, so you could add 8 channels preamp on it. That give you 10 great preamp. And monitor left, right, and the 2-channel combo jacks, and the power adapter connection, which is it's very heavy. You got some weight to it. This is a great unit. Yeah.